Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can duplicate a sheet on LibreOffice Calculator. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so navigate to your sheet and let's assume you'd like to create a new document, but instead of copying the entire table or each row and column and these contents, there's also the option to copy or to duplicate an entire sheet and to open it in a new document here in LibreOffice. To do that, right click into the sheet, select a duplicate sheet here, not sheet I mean, of course, or you may use the option below, move or copy sheet, and here select the action, which is copy, select the location from the drop-down menu. I will go with a completely new document, or you can move it to another document. I will go with a new one, and you may give the new or the duplicate here a name, click into copy, and after that, as you can see at the bottom, LibreOffice will create a new document with the copied sheet with the entire content. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.